So what does the yellow heart on Snapchat mean? Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rishan Guy. In today's video, I will simply describe to you what the yellow heart on Snapchat means. So make sure to watch the video till the end. So just go ahead and then open the Snapchat application. Once you open the Snapchat app over here, just tap on the profile icon from the top left hand side, tap on the gear icon from the top right. Here you'll find all this. Just look for the option called emojis. So I will go ahead and select friend emojis here. So you can see different types of icons. The double heart represents super BFF, a single red heart represents that you are a BFF, and the yellow heart represents that you are actually besties. So if you got a yellow heart with right next to a friend that you're chatting with on Snapchat, it means that you are super besties on Snapchat, and that's simply the case. It means also in other language that the yellow heart emoji means that you and the Snapchat user are best friends, and this is the person you exchange the most snaps with and probably share your deepest secrets to. So if you see a yellow heart next to someone's name, it definitely means that you are officially besties. So that's all there is to it about the yellow heart. It's not really so fancy, but of course it's quite cool. We hope the video answered your question. If it did help answer your question, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.